Let's talk about listing feedback. The listing section in Touchbase lets you see all the feedback that you've gotten for a particular listing. To access it, click on My Listings in the Touchbase main menu, and here's where you can find it in our app. Then click on the listing you want to take a look at, and at the bottom you'll see Feedback. Here we can see all the feedback that this listing has received. If you've created custom feedback forms, and we explain how in another video, you can select the feedback form that's sent in this menu. And you can create a new feedback form by clicking on Manage Forms. That's explained in the other video I just mentioned. So as we can see, we've gotten 8 total feedback reports. And here's the average answer for all the 5-star questions that we asked. And for the multiple choice question, we see that 4 people found the price satisfactory, 2 found it too high, and 1 found it very satisfactory. And below we see the actual feedback that was received. And if you want to take a closer look at a given one, you can just click on it and you're taken to the actual feedback form. Thank you for watching the Touchbase listing feedback tutorial video.